What are we doing, Nikki?
We are going to install RV Lock from RVLocks.com. It was a Prime Day deal that we got, and so figured why not pull the trigger.
Alrighty. Here's the current lock, which is inadequate and universal, basically, so not very secure.
No.
That's the inside. And then it says remove the 4 screws from the back of your existing handle. You don't want that one. I think you want this one. So I guess we are doing it open. I thought we had to be inside. Tank, come out here. So we're gonna remove those 4 screws. All right, let's try the other one because they are in there. And this one might strip it. Okay. Probably has like Loctite or something on there. I don't know.
Probably use Loctite. Which is not a bad idea.
There you go. It's not Loctite. It's some kind of screw I've never seen. There you go. There's number 3. There's number 4. Remove the 2 screws from the strike plate on the side of the door. So there's the strike plate. That was easy. There's the back, so you can see in there. There's this. What's the next step?
Carefully place all the included installations parts flat, non-abrasive, easily accessible surface. Gently slide the front of your new handle into the door opening while carefully pulling the wires ahead of the lock and then hold the lock in place. And
Are we not supposed to take the front out?
Well, I guess, but it doesn't really say anything about that.
Okay, so you gotta remove the front. Oh, it just pops right out. Okay. Here you go. So there's the old one. It's now been uninstalled. Here you go. So now we slide this front one in. Or we slide the back. Yeah, probably this one in first. A little tricky. Get the wire in there. Alright, so you can see that. Well, now if we want that to be visible, we may have to blur some of this out. But you see it's in there. Okay, now what?
Now put this one new in with 4 screws.
Okay.
So connect the battery wires. You'll hear a confirmation beep when the connection is made.
Okay. Okay.
Align and attach the back handle while tucking the excess wire into the void. Hold the paddle of the back handle closed while inserting the paddle tooth into the front handle housing.
Okay. Alright, that and that goes right there. Okay, can you put one in? That fits a lot better. Did it say that?
Yeah, I read that.
I don't remember it. Okay.
Make sure it's straight.
Again, looks straight to me.
Tighten all the way. Do not over tighten. Key in the numeric code and press the lock button on the keypad. The default code is 1234.
So turn it on.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Then what?
And hit lock.
That worked.
Alright. And if you ever need to reset it, you just if you hit the reset button on this side and it just resets it to 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cool.
Alright, now you have to program it.
Okay. So, we've just finished installing the RV lock. It was actually super easy. 4 screws on the back, 2 screws on the side. The only part that was even slightly difficult was there was some extra battery wiring, which was kind of tight, and you have to keep this handle like really closed while you're tightening it all down. But it probably took less than 10 minutes and it already is working. So that's what it looks like on the front now. Much better, much more secure. So now we're gonna program it.
Alright, so hold the 8 button simultaneously and press the lock button.
8 and lock at the same time.
Confirmation beep signifies you entered a programming code.
Okay.
Key in the default code 1234 or lock or your existing code and press lock.
Okay.
Key in the new code and press lock.
Okay. So we just reprogrammed it to a code that will not tell you, and also hide and blur if we filmed it. Pretty easy. Took a couple tries. That's how it fits. Fits really perfect, just like the factory one. So now we're going to program the key fobs. How many key fobs do we have? 2?
I think we have just one.
Oh, comes with 1 key fob.
It has.
Cool.
I guess you can do 2 locks to it
Oh, neat.
if you have 2 doors.
Cool.
Alright, let's see. Turn the switch to on in the back of the handle and then press the release on the fob learn button located next to the on-off switch.
I need like a pen or something. Screw will work. So maybe it'll work? Oh no, that's too thick. Maybe this will work? Yeah, so what do? Turn it on.
Okay, so switch to on and then press the learn button located at the back of the on-off switch.
For how long?
Next to it. A short quick beep will confirm the handle is entered.
Okay.
Press and release the lock button on your remote until the handle confirms its sync. It's a long beep, yeah. Finally press the unlock button to confirm the successful. Yep. Alright.
So, see that. Pretty snazzy.
It says here you can program up to 10 fobs to remote to the handle if you want.
Wow, you just have to order more?
Yeah.
Very cool.
So.
Awesome. So,
Old one.
there's the old one. Again, this is the key compact door handle, right hand doors from RV Locks, rvlocks.com. Took all of 10 or 15 minutes at the most to install. Super easy. We're gonna try it now. I'm gonna shut it. Cool.
Seems to work. Also, here's the key.
There's 2 keys. Alright. Stay. Try it the old-fashioned way. Was that locked?
Yeah, well, I think one's a deadbolt, maybe.
Well, it was, but that's why I was trying to find out if it's locked. I couldn't tell.
It was moving, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can't tell.
Okay.
Cool. So that all works. We now have a much more secure RV that a universal key cannot open. Awesome. Come on, Tank. Very cool.
You're like, let's go.
And that is the install. What did you think?
Easy peasy, man. That was way easier than I thought it was going to be, actually.
Far easier. Did you like it too, Donut?
Yeah, really fast. I think it's good quality. It seems like actually better quality.
Yeah, it seems like really good quality, and it'll be nice knowing that we don't have to, if we lose a key, we can get in. Obviously, if we, you know, need to tell someone a password, they can get in, and we don't have to worry about someone with a universal key that you can like buy off eBay getting in our door. So overall, it's totally worth it. It was like what, $130 on sale?
On sale, yeah. I think it's normally in the 200s.
Like 180, 200, something like that. Totally worth it. Definitely would recommend. And if your battery dies, you have a key. So either way.
You have some stuff on your head. It's like zigzag lines.
Yeah. You can see I was wearing the helmet or the GoPro band. But yeah, there it is.